National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, northern Kane County in northeast Illinois, until 9 o'clock p.m. At 8:21 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Kingston to Malta and moving east at 35 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Genoa, Sycamore, and Cortland around 8:30 p.m., Maple Park around 8:40 p.m., Hampshire around 8:45 p.m., Gilbert's around 8:55 p.m., Sleepy Hollow, West Dundee, Elgin, and Carpentersville around 9 o'clock p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Burlington, Pingree Grove, and South Elgin. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road.